বাংলায় একটা কথা আছে, কোথা থেকে উড়ে এসে জুড়ে বসলো। এই কোভিড-19 চেয়ে বেশি বোধহয় কথাটা আর কোনো কিছুতে অ্যাপ্লিকেবল হতে পারে না। এই বছরের শুরুতে 2-3 মাস ধরে আমরা যখন শুনছি নিউজে, সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে যে উহানে একটা ক্রাইসিস চলছে, আমরা কি কেউ ভাবতে পেরেছি সেটা আমাদের লাইফটা এতটা ডিসরাপ্ট করতে পারে? যখন নিউ ইয়র্কে কেস বাড়তে লাগলো, তারপর নিউজে এই সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং, ফ্ল্যাটেন দ্য কার্ভ এসব এত শুনতে লাগলাম, তখন ইট স্টার্টেড ফিলিং ভেরি রিয়েল অ্যান্ড স্কেয়ারি। এখানে যখন স্কুল কলেজ বন্ধ হলো, আমার মাথায় সর্বপ্রথম চিন্তা হলো এবার গ্রসারি করতে হবে, সবার 3 বেলার খাবারের ব্যবস্থা করতে হবে। এর মধ্যে যখন কিছু ডাক্তার বন্ধুদের ফোন করলাম, ওদের কাছে কথা বলে, ওদের সাথে কথা বলে, I realized for the first time যে এই যে নিউজ অ্যাবাউট শর্টেজ অফ মাস্কস অ্যান্ড PPE, what it really meant to people on the front lines. ওরা কিন্তু তখন গ্রসারির কথা ভাবছে না, ওরা ডেসপারেটলি মাস্কস অ্যারেঞ্জ করার চেষ্টা করছে টু প্রোটেক্ট দেমসেলস, দেয়ার ফ্যামিলিজ, দেয়ার পেশেন্টস। ফোনটা রেখে ভাবতে রাখলাম, how can we help? And then I came across this Facebook group যেখানে people from across Charlotte, they had come together, they had put together guidelines to create hand-stitched masks. And my first thought was, Srishti family can also do this. Shama, Shashwati, Ami, আর কয়েকজন আমরা একটু, we had a quick chat, and then we posted in our WhatsApp group, Bong Babes. আর এত ভালো immediate response পেলাম আমরা যে we started off the Srishti Mask Force.
As our journey began, in the stillness of a worldwide lockdown, a flurry of activity arose in our homes as well as our electronic devices. With immense gratitude, we swept away feelings of helplessness and embraced the responsibility that gave us a purpose. Along the way, our experience was enriched by inspiration, innovation, determination, education, speed, a little style, and most importantly, teamwork. The courage of our doctors, nurses, schools' meal providers, frontline workers, patients, and their caretakers inspired us to get out of our comfort zones and support them, even if our effort is like a small drop in the ocean. At a time when materials were in short supply, making simple DIY masks was no small task, so we had to think outside the box. Dola used new protective shoe covers and converted them into masks. The Kollam and Sengupta families made masks from socks, and we all discovered new uses for everyday objects. Shaptami and Ekta were not deterred by the absence of sewing machines. They decided to thread needles and hand stitch as many masks as they could, which were then donated to Walton Woods, a senior living facility.
Not only did Nika and Rika sew masks, they also taught their mom to use the sewing machine. Shama felt a huge sense of accomplishment when she made her first mask and realized that sending her kids to a sewing camp was one of the best decisions made, as it allowed them to participate in this endeavor. Exemplifying speed, Amrita assembled the first set of 7 masks that were cut, sewn, washed and delivered within 24 hours. Anindita rapidly put together 20 masks over a weekend to meet increasing requests.
We added an element of style, as hubbies and family members were recruited to model the masks and in some cases persuaded to keep the less than perfect versions of our amateurish creations.
Above all, Srishti's mask force is an object lesson in teamwork. Members supported one another in different ways. Kakuli, Shudipta, and Debarati provided guidance from their medical perspective. Anita, Priyanka, and Shashwati played a very important role by helping with the team's logistics that included pickups and drop offs, procuring material, finding resources, and of course, a mask making team. They included Ekta, Dola, Amrita, Shaptami, Anindita, Aarti, and her daughter Kritika. The Parvi girls, Nika, Shama, and Rika, and the Kollam family with Maya, Nick, and Srini. The united effort paid off, and these numbers speak for themselves. We will continue to do our bit for as long as needed and march towards the light at the end of the tunnel. And it is our hope that we will meet soon as a Srishti family and celebrate pujas together with joy and a strong sense of community. Namaskar.